I'm Kirby,
I'm Doozy.
and today's topic is gonna be about
The birds and the bees. Bees in the trap. Yes.
that's what it's gonna be about.
Yeah.
Okay, so how does this work exactly?
Okay, so you need a skeleton, right? And then a rag. And this one has a vagina and this one has a penis. And then they scissor. And they interlock. And when they love each other so much, sometimes the baby comes out, right? Right? But sometimes skeletons are enough because they don't have meat, right? So and then they go and they get Pokemon.
Pokemon.
And they interact.
Wait, but sometimes they just get okay. I think the Pokemon part came before the whore.
Oh,
It becomes a whore
the
in
whore.
everyone's relationship.
The whore.
That just, I mean, with the husband they have an affair, with the wife they have an affair. It doesn't matter. It's
And then
just not the same.
while you're having the birds and the bees, you can do many things. You can beat each other. You can do it upside down. You can do it
In
with
the shower.
food.
No, with food, of course.
With needles. You can stretch each other's body parts. Like, okay, let's say you're doing someone, right? And you stretch their ear.
Okay. Well, this is the end of today's topic, and we hope you have a marvelous day with more knowledge.
More knowledge.
Knowledge is power.
I don't